All right, how y'all doing today? I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. The boss lady is on the job. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. All right, and I got my main guy, Tom. Tell him what's up, Tom. Tom is helping me. We cleaning up this place today, doing a little spring cleaning, getting all the trash up, getting ready to knock things out. All right, here, y'all. We on the west side, the best side. That's my cuz. What's up, cuz? Everything's all right. That's my cousin right there, man. He's a school, the baddest mechanic in the land. Ain't that right here? And that's my church right there, my childhood church, First Providence Missionary Baptist Church. Well, it ain't no work to Radford Homes and the team. All right, but in here we're gonna be redoing all the floors. We're gonna be the walls in here, y'all. It's kind of echoing, get nobody in here. These walls are plaster. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skim coat these walls with, skim coat it with texture, and then we're gonna spray it with the knockdown to make it look beautiful. Now these ceilings up here, these ceilings are beautiful. Look at these ceilings here. We got these tongue and groove wood ceilings, and they are just absolutely beautiful. But these walls here are outdated. You know, they had some kind of design too. See the design that they had on there? This is plaster, which is like concrete, okay? It's like concrete, and they got a little swirl design in it. And then over here, this is drywall, sheetrock, and it has the swirl design in it as well, all right? We're gonna skim coat this as well, okay? To make this and then do one texture on it. Once again, I said these ceilings are just beautiful. I'm loving these ceilings in here. All these ACs, we're gonna be putting central air and heat in here. So there's no reason for us to have the ACs and stuff like that in here. This is an old motel AC right here. There's no reason to have that anymore. Of course, we're gonna change out all the baseboards, okay? All the baseboards are gonna be changed out. The kitchen, of course, we're gonna get rid of all these floors. We're gonna do what we call a floating floor. We're gonna clean them up. We're gonna do a floating floor, a vinyl plank floating floor throughout the whole entire house. We're gonna be taking this kitchen completely apart. This kitchen is gonna be out of here, y'all. We're gonna take all these cabinets out and we're gonna put in brand new stuff, okay? And check it out. You see how this kitchen here, it just has it's just a straight line. I like to call it an I. We're gonna make an L. So we're gonna make an L so it wraps around right there. And the stove is right here, okay? But we're gonna move the stove over there. We're gonna put the stove right there, and we're gonna get a new refrigerator. Of course, this refrigerator is nasty. But that's the only way I would have it. I like it like that, because there's only one way to go, that's up. Watch the transformation when we're finished with this thing. And the refrigerator is gonna go here. We're gonna put in gray cabinets with a beautiful glass tile backsplash, okay? And it's gonna loop around. It's gonna be just beautiful. Now, if you look out here, this is a double lot, and I got my main guy, Tom. Me and Tom been out here today cleaning up. Tom is right there, he's picking up. Tom, let's come on in the back part. We'll come back over there later. Let's get the part where everybody can see. We're doing a spring cleaning out here, make the neighborhood look good. That's the church I grew up in right there. First Providence Missionary Baptist Church. So I was just thinking, I was like, man, let me get over and clean this place up some. All right, Kenny done moved all his stuff out of here. This is a double lot. We're gonna build another duplex right here. Eventually. First, we're gonna get this one up and running. Tom is getting up all the paper and everything, hooking me up on this. Tom, I mean all the paper, man, to get everything up. Let me know if we need to get you some Gatorade or something. All right, so we back inside. All right, you might think, man, this place looks a hot mess. I'm telling you, folks, that's what we like. And then this is my side, man. I was born and raised, so it's personal. I want to take this thing to another level over here. All right, one house at a time. I mean, that's what we're gonna do. We done did 6 houses, we sold 1, we kept 5. Looks pretty bad, right? We're gonna get rid of all of this. Everything in here. I might can make that stove look good again. You never know. All right, you can see they put some type of laminate over the tile. All right, Are y'all ready to go into this bathroom? I don't think my wife ready for that bathroom, but we're going in there. All right. Once again, over here, this is what you call plaster. This is concrete. Right here is drywall. Okay? Drywall, and it's got the little swirls in it. I think I'm gonna get my guy to do to float right over this. Okay? He's gonna skim coat this and make it smooth and then put texture on it. Okay? All brand new windows throughout. Brand new windows throughout the whole entire house. Hey, how you doing, Miss Joyce? Yes, these ceilings are beautiful. These are some beautiful ceilings, so we're gonna leave them just like that. We're not gonna mess with them. The floors, we're gonna clean them up, and then we're gonna put laminate plank floors. But first, my guy was telling me we just can't clean these floors up. We're gonna have to put some type of leveling agent over the top of it to make it smooth, so our floating floors don't fall in the grooves here and the grout lines because it'll pop apart. Those things kind of click together. All right, well, tell them bye, babe. All right, the boss will call 863-410-0877. All right, babe. All right, talk to you later. All right, bye. All right, she's out of here. All right, we're going in the bath. You didn't get the chance to get in this bathroom. All right, here's the bathroom. It looks absolutely wonderful. That's how I like it. We're gonna make this place just beautiful, man. I mean, we're gonna make this place beautiful. Now check it out. The tub is over here, right? We're gonna move this tub over here. The tub will be over here where the vanity and the toilet is. And then all this stuff that's outside of the wall is gonna be inside of the wall, okay? So the tub won't be here. It'll be a brand new tub. All this tile, all this stuff is coming down. All right, none of this stuff will be here. All right, it'll be brand new in this baby. Okay, brand spanking new. All right, now this is. All right, we got to clean up. We're taking care of the neighbors, okay? And I already told her. See these hedges over here? I'm gonna have my lawn guy at no expense to the neighbors here. Cause this is the west side, the best side. We're gonna see these things done took over the hedges, the vines. I'm gonna get my guy to come out here and get these things off of here and trim these up and fertilize these because it's the right thing to do. All right, the city usually supposed to trim them up, but we're not gonna wait on them. RadfordHomes gonna go ahead and knock them out, okay? We're gonna knock these hedges out and make them look beautiful and get them all shaped up. And in a few days, okay, next week sometime, you'll see all my guys out here working. All right, the west side, y'all make sure y'all take care of brother Radford over here, because I'm trying to take care of the west side. Number love for y'all over here, but this is my side. And we're gonna be making this thing absolutely wonderful. We're gonna stucco it, we're gonna put new roofs on it, new windows, new AC, central air and heat, getting rid of them old ACs that's in there. They gotta go. Brand new bathrooms, brand new kitchen, brand new countertops, brand new sink, the whole 9 yards. I got my main man Tom out here putting the locals to work. That's right, Tom from the west side too. My homeboy Richard Buck brother. And we're making it happen. We're doing a little spring cleaning. Now all these trees right here, we're gonna cut these trees down. And there is actually a fence right here, y'all. Got a bunch of trash right there. All right, we got a brand new house right here. That's a comp right there, folks. Brand new. Another brand new house built by Keystone. Now all these trees here, we're gonna cut them down. This property is a dual lot. See that tree falling down? It's actually got barbed wire on top of it. See that right there? Got barbed wire. We're gonna get that tree back, that fence line back up. We're gonna trim all these trees up. We're gonna remove all these brush. My guy's gonna come out here and remove all the brush. We'll get rid of all that. And we're gonna make this thing a performing asset and great for the community, like we do on all our houses. I know y'all been following me. I just got through renovating Miss Honeybunch house, a 1920 bungalow house that is only about 200 yards down the street. And part of the house is on this same street, on King Street. All right? So anybody who knows me know I love renovating houses and helping out the west side, my side, the best side. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. As you can see right here, we already got the water tap for our second duplex. That's right, we're gonna build another duplex right here. First, we're gonna remodel this one, get it all up to code and everything right, and get it rented out. We're gonna be renting these, okay? If you know somebody who's looking to rent a room, tell them to call me. They don't have to pay for no electricity, no water, no none of that. I'm gonna pay for all of that. They just gotta pay for their room. They will have a roommate though, okay? They will have a lock on their door. All right, all they need to do is bring their clothes on their back. Give me a call, and you can call me right there, 863-410-0877. We're on the west side of BARTOW. Here's the other water tap right here for the new duplex, so that'll be later on. All right, Tom, we got to get all this stuff now. Even, we'll go back around the front to make sure we got everything, and then we'll come to the back and start getting that little stuff too. But we'll go around to the front. I'm gonna get off this thing and help you in a second. All right. I gotta help Tom out. All right, I gotta go, y'all. Well, check it out. You see my phone numbers right there? Give me a call. Salute all veterans. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. We're on the west side, baby. One house at a time. We're gonna revitalize this place. We're in the CRA area, which is the community redevelopment area. It's called the core area. If you're inside the core area, you shouldn't have to pay what you call impact fees. All right? We're making it happen one house at a time. Give me a call if you know somebody trying to get rid of a house, or they just need to know something about real estate. I don't have all the answers, but I'm sure I can help you out. Keep God first, do the right thing, and always, always, always be kind and generous to people, especially the ones who cannot help you. Remember that. Salute.